In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a logo using Squarespace Logo Maker. It's a free app and you can get to it using the link I've posted below this video. It is an affiliate link, so if you choose to use it and ever make a purchase on Squarespace later down the road, I may earn a small commission off of it at no additional cost to you, so thank you for supporting my business. Okay, so let's get started. This is what the landing page looks like. And the first thing we're going to do is put the name of the artist in here, or the company, or the brand. Click on the arrow. And now we're actually in the workspace, and it's asking us to search for a symbol. So Jane Doe is an artist, and I'm going to show you what happens or what comes up under art in terms of icons. You can click on any of these here to see what they look like. I have reviewed most of these. Most of them are pretty hokey, so I would say in general stay away from these. But you can get creative and start doing searches with other terms. And so I would encourage you to spend some time just looking around and see if there's anything that's appealing or, that resonates with you and your aesthetics, your brand. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one. Okay, so if you click on the name or one of these elements, you'll see you'll get a different dialog screen. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the name, and I'm going to select a different font. So you have quite a few fonts here to work with, so take a look around and see what resonates with you. I'm going to switch to that font, and I'm going to select a color. So just use the slider until you arrive at a color that you like. Then you can select a color over here, okay? Okay, let's say I'm going to go with that color. And before I click away, I'm going to click on Command-C to copy that hex code, because I want to make sure that this matches it in the same exact color. So I'm just going to copy V, paste it in there, and so now I have two items with the exact same color. You can see if I move this around, it has a ruler to show me where to place things so that they're centered. I'm actually going to move this over to the left, and now I can center things if I want to this way. You can also play with sizes, okay, and you can add a tagline. Let's say Jane has this tagline. I'm going to bring it over here, make it smaller, and I'm going to change the color on that as well. So let's make it a gray. And the font's fine. Okay, so I want to make sure this is centered under the name, and as you can see there was a ruler there, and I think I'm going to make that actually a little bit lighter, and this maybe just a little bit bigger. Okay. So when you're happy with your logo, then you can actually come down here and preview the logo on a business card. You can see what it would look like on a monitor and on a product. So that's kind of cool. So now we're ready to save the logo. So we're going to come down here, click Save Logo. We need to log in or create an account with Squarespace to download it. So let's I have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and log in. But if you don't have a Squarespace account, click on Create Account. Okay, I've logged into my account, and now, as you can see, you can download the logo. And Squarespace actually gives you 3 options, and these are sized at 2000 pixels. So you can download them at that size, or you can adjust the size here. So it starts at 500 pixels and goes all the way up to 5,000. So select the size that you would, select the sizes you need and download them from here. And that is all you need to do to create a logo for your website and other marketing materials. I hope you found it useful, and thanks for watching.